Okay, even though you can't see my dimension values, you can see that the proportions look a little bit different than it did before editing the dimensions. And now, after I edited the dimensions, I'm ready to extrude. So let me select Finish Sketch, and now let me extrude that shape. And I want to cut. Okay, I click the inside profile. Okay, and I want to cut that out. So instead of join, let's cut and select that button. Okay, now instead of specifying a distance, let's put all for our distance. Okay, now select OK, and now we have the base portion of our part. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to place the part up here. So let's create a new sketch, and let's create it on this plane. Alright, and what I want to do now is to and I'm going to do this kind of away from where it needs to be, just to demonstrate another tool. Okay, and I think I'll draw another circle. Okay, now I want this point to be directly above the origin. Okay, so let's use the vertical constraint tool, and I'll press on that button, or that dot I mean, and the center point. Okay, and now you can see how it moves it right above the center point. And from there, let me draw a line straight down until it gets to the edge, and then from there I'll draw another line. Now I can, well, maybe a little easier to actually start here. Okay, notice your tracking dots too. Alright, so now this is tangent, perpendicular, you see all the different lines, and I'm coincident on the horizontal plane. And finally I want to draw a line from here to here. Okay, oops. Alright, now it tells me that I need 3 dimensions, but before I do that I want to trim this, and now I'll start off and apply a dimension here, apply a dimension here. Okay, now it's still telling me that I need 1 dimension, and the dimension is actually from the origin to here. It's a location dimension, so I'm going to place that dimension there. Okay, so again, on your own, go back and edit these dimensions, and I'll do the same.